Hi, dear viewers, welcome back to another exciting video. Remember those days of carefree childhood, where the biggest worry was choosing which flavor ice cream to get? Yeah, those days are officially over, my friend. Welcome to the wonderful, sometimes chaotic, always a bit confusing world of adulthood. But how do you know when you've truly crossed that invisible line from kid to grown-up? Don't worry, we've got your back. Here are 7 hilarious and relatable signs that you've officially graduated to adulting. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel, if you have not subscribed yet, and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Sign number 1, the grocery game. Forget cereal and candy aisles. You now navigate the treacherous waters of the produce section, comparing organic kale to discount bananas. You actually know the difference between grass-fed butter and regular butter. And, dare I say, you might even consider buying, gasp, ground turkey. Shudder. Sign number 2, the laundry labyrinth. Remember throwing your dirty clothes in a pile and hoping your mom would magically make them clean? Those days are gone, replaced by the endless cycle of sorting, washing, drying, folding, and repeating. You now understand the true meaning of mountain of laundry, and can expertly wield a stain remover like a seasoned warrior. Sign number 3, the budget balancing act. Gone are the days of begging for allowances. Now, you juggle bills, track expenses, and have conversations with your bank account that involve phrases like interest rates and compound savings. You might even start considering things like retirement planning. Cue existential dread montage. Sign number 4, the appliance appreciation. Appliances used to be just noisy things in the kitchen. Now, they're your dearest companions, your reliable workhorses. You know the subtle whirring of a perfectly functioning dishwasher and can troubleshoot a clogged garbage disposal like a pro. You might even find yourself whispering sweet nothings to your favorite washing machine. Don't judge, we all do it. Sign number 5, the social shift. Nights out raging until sunrise? Not so much anymore. Now, you cherish quiet evenings at home, a good book, and a cup of tea. You might even find yourself enjoying early morning walks and, gasp, gardening. Okay, maybe not that, but you get the idea. Sign number 6, the wisdom whispers. You used to think adults knew everything. Now, you realize they're just winging it most of the time. But hey, you've picked up some wisdom along the way. You offer unsolicited advice to younger folks. They secretly love it, trust me, and occasionally even drop pearls of wisdom like, taxes are the worst, and always wear comfortable shoes. Sign number 7, the acceptance anthem. Adulting isn't always easy, but it has its perks. You're independent, you have choices, and you can, mostly, eat cake for breakfast if you want. You learn to embrace the chaos, the triumphs, and the occasional burnt dinner. And hey, at least you're not a teenager anymore, right? If you like the video, do me a favor, share the video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.